everyone, this is Dr. Jake Rourke with STEM Education Works, and today I have a very special little robotic friend here with me, the Dobot Magician Lite. It is a robotic arm that is excellent, particularly for teaching early learners how to dive into the world of computer programming with a hands-on approach. And what's especially cool about this particular robotic arm is it comes with a little camera here that allows you to incorporate AI into your student block coding. So I have over here a little computer program that I wrote using Dobot Labs, Dobot Block Lab. And what we're doing here is we are using image recognition. So we are going to recognize these little objects that we have here that come from the Dobot AI teaching kit in order to recognize them and collect them as if the Dobot were helping me going grocery shopping. So let's begin. And so the first step that I needed to go through to make my code work is to actually go into the AI tab and then scroll down to edit classification data. And that is going to allow the computer program to perform image recognition. So here we have a series of pictures that I've taken of my mini water bottle and all of my other little items here, my cola, my milk, and my coffee. And by feeding these images into my program, my Dobot will be able to tell the difference between them. So as a good example, if I go in here to training model, I can move these parts out of the way, and what I'll do is I'll place my little coffee cup here. And as you can see, the program is about 96–97% sure that that is the coffee cup rather than something like the water bottle. So now we can actually start running our program, and I'll go ahead and start things off. And the first thing that I'll put down is my little cola can. The Dobot is going to take a picture of that, recognize which item it is, pick it up, and place it in my shopping basket. And we can do the same thing with our water, with our milk, and our coffee. And now that our program is done running, as you can see on my screen here, I have a full list in the order that they were placed in front of the Dobot of my little items that I collected during my grocery shopping experience. Not only does the Dobot Magician Lite come with the AI camera, but it also comes with 3 separate end effectors. That's a little tool here at the end of the robotic arm. It includes the soft gripper end effector, the suction cup end effector, and the pin end effector for writing and drawing if you want to get creative in the classroom. The Dobot Magician Lite robotic arm is the perfect tool for teaching coding and robotics in elementary and middle school classrooms. To find out more about the Dobot Magician Lite, visit us at stemeducationworks.com.